What is climate change? Climate change is a long-term change in the average weather patterns that have come to define Earth's local, regional, and global climates. These changes have a broad range of observed effects that are synonyms with the term. What are the causes of climate change? Greenhouse gases. The cycles of Earth's climate are greatly influenced by greenhouse gases. Some of the energy from the sun's rays that strikes the planet are absorbed, while the remainder and the heat are reflected back into space. The reflected energy is captured by greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, which causes it to be reflected back to the Earth and eventually cause global warming. Solar activity. It does affect the climate of the Earth, although the sun does through natural cycles in which its energy output to the Earth rises and falls. It seems doubtful that solar activity has a significant role in global warming or climate change. There hasn't been a discernible increased trend in the amount of solar energy that enters our atmosphere since science started measuring it.
Agriculture. Agriculture has a big impact on climate change in many different ways. Agriculture is responsible for a sizable amount of the world's greenhouse gas emissions, from deforestation in locations like the Amazon to the transportation and cattle needed to support agriculture and divorce globally. However, agriculture is great steps towards sustainability. Less carbon dioxide is emitted to produce more food as productivity rises. In the long run, agriculture could eventually absorb almost as much CO2 or carbon dioxide as it releases, acting as a carbon sink. Deforestation. Climate change and deforestation frequently go hand in hand. In addition to accelerating deforestation due to wildfires and other extreme weather, climate change also significantly contributes to global warming through deforestation. Deforestation is the second largest source of greenhouse gases according to the Earth Day Network. Many individuals and groups working to combat climate change cite stopping deforestation as one of, if not the most, crucial problems that need to be resolved in order to stop or slow down global warming.
Human activity. The Environmental Protection Agency claims that burning fossil fuels for power, heat, and transportation is the main cause of climate change in the United States. Transportation, which includes cars, trucks, ships, trains, and planes, produce the highest percentage of CO2, accelerating global warming and continuing to be a major contributor to climate change. Long-term impact of climate change. Climate change might have a catastrophic long-term effect on the Earth and everything that lives there. We will probably continue to notice growing effects on daily life if the globe stays on its current course.
Health. There are many ways in which climate change could impact people's health, depending on age, location, and economic status. Climate change is already affecting the health of many and has the potential to impact millions more. According to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, climate change-related health risks may include heat-related illness, injuries, and fatalities from severe weather, asthma, cardiovascular disease from air pollution, respiratory problem from increased allergy, disease from poor water quality, water and food supply insecurities. Negative impact in ecosystem. Ecosystems are complex networks of living things that support a variety of plant and animal life. Global food distribution for plants and animals is already being disrupted by climate change, which has the potential to lead to major extinction events. According to some research, estimate that nearly 30% of plant and animal species could become extinct if global temperature keeps rising.
Food water resources may be significantly impacted by climate change. Temperature increases and severe weather will continue to reduce crop yield and raise water demand. By 2050, there will likely be a 70% rise in food demand, which will only make the issue worse. Cities and habitats along the coast may be significantly impacted by rising sea levels. Global sea levels have steadily risen as a result of rising ocean temperatures and ice sheets melting. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration predicts that sea levels would rise at least 8 inches by 2100 if current trends continue, potentially leading to more floods and decline in habitats for wetlands and oceans.